In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Photoshop on your Mac for free in 2024. If you're ready to dive into the world of photo editing, learning how to navigate this installation process will be your first step. So, let's begin this journey together and transform the way you engage with your creative projects using Photoshop. To start, you'll need to visit Adobe's official website to download Photoshop. This step is crucial because you want to ensure you're getting the legitimate version of the software. Go to your browser and enter the Adobe website. Once there, navigate to the Download section where you'll find the option to download Photoshop. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. It's worth noting that this version is offered as a trial, but it's a great way to begin experiencing what Photoshop can offer. Once the download is complete, you'll see an installer file in your Downloads folder. Simply click on this file to begin the next phase of the installation process. Your Mac might ask for administrative permissions at this point. If so, just go ahead and enter your credentials. This is a security measure to ensure you're authorized to install software on the system. Now, after clicking on the installer, you should see another prompt asking you to start the actual installation. Click Install to proceed. This will unpack all the necessary files and set up Photoshop on your machine. This part may take a little while, so be patient. It's doing all the behind-the-scenes work to ensure Photoshop runs smoothly on your Mac. Before moving ahead, you'll be prompted to choose a location for the installation. Typically, it's best to install it on your main drive unless you have a specific reason to opt for a different location. Choose a destination that suits your preferences and hit Continue. Once the location is confirmed, click the Install button once again. At this point, the installation process continues and you're almost there. Just sit back and wait while your Mac finishes setting up Photoshop. You'll know it's done when you see a confirmation message on your screen. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Photoshop on your Mac. Remember, once it's installed, take a moment to explore the various tools and features it offers. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with a little practice, you'll become proficient in no time. There are numerous resources online if you need guidance on specific tools or techniques. Thanks for watching and happy editing with your new installation of Photoshop.